today is the first official vlog from here. I'm excited. Today guys, I have a lot of things to do. Firstly, I'm going for my nail appointment now. That's why you guys just see my hair like this. So I just want to come here and just tell you guys like I'm about to go for my nail appointment, and when I've solved this whole hair issue, I'll come and do a final intro of today. So this is the first day in the country. Okay guys, let's go.
You get that shit they be. You they at me like about me. I just wanna be there when you need me. Baby, now your mother are the reason all day, yeah. Overdosing, body overdose. Say you carry overload, and you know you bad like commando. No romance, no go downgrade. Make a carry your luggage, and now they find you for 4 days, yeah. No trust, fit to contain. And your body na package. Say you know, say I'm falling for love. Overloading, body overloading. Now you, I want
She just arranged like this house. I'm really feeling pretty.
Overloading, I'll be overloading your bank account. Money plenty, tell me the amount.
Me too, I like it. Thank you, it's really nice. Now I want to see on the smaller mirror. Ula, don't worry, I'm vlogging. I think Fan is here. Modifair. Who is this one making this thing? But I like this thing. I really like it. You make me happy.
I really happy.
Yes, to be taking me like that. You know, in the morning when I climbed the bike, I thought it was my name there. When I climbed the bike when I was leaving from the salon to your place, because you had the umbrella, I had to put like this so it will not be holding my hair, you know. And I was like, aha, bienvenue. I'm packing out to the next location. I use my hair in the sun. I mean, they are rushing my phone. They carried my phone. This vlog will not be funny. Yeah, I was like on the floor, like, where? Yeah. I'm very sure. Uncle, I'm going with you guys. The next minute, they'll put me in the déchet of the back. Eh? Me again, when I enter with them, they'll put me in this behind like this. They'll behind, well, in my old dress, as a girl. So this is the hotel we're living at, and this is the hotel where we are living from. So, tell what I was on school. Mommy, let me open. You want to put it in my seat where I'm sitting, right? Back to camera calling to you guys. So I want to show you guys the apartment where we are living at. We just moved in, and before we go ahead to disorganize everything, I want to go ahead and put you guys on this place. For now, I'm not going to disclose the location, but maybe when we are done living, like when we leave the apartment in general, you guys should remind me on the video that will drop last, and I'm going to drop this location, or maybe the last video I'm literally going to drop it. So yeah, let's go. Okay, Auntie, keep there. Okay, so when you walk in, you have a bathroom from the entrance, and this is it. It has a sink and a cute mirror. I don't know why this dress is acting like this, but yeah, it has a thing and a cute mirror. And then it has this walkthrough. We packed all our stuff here because we're going to, we don't know, like we still have to separate the boxes. Some are mine, some are my mom's, and some of the cartoons. And then here is the living room. It's cute and it's big. So this is the living room, and then here you have the dining table. Aside that, you also have a little balcony, which is here, and you can walk from here. I don't know if it's planned to open anytime soon. Okay, you walk through this balcony and you can just see the area from here. And you guys can see this is it, and you also has a cute mirror. And then you get in and it has this cute lighting. I wish my video was literally like those people who do the cute aesthetic thing, but no time for it. And yeah, it has a cute lamp too beside. So yeah, that is it. I always sit here and watch TV. I miss sitting on this type of chair and just watching TV for channels that I really like. Guys, I'm so hot. Can you guys see the heat? I'm serious. So hot in Douala, but not hot as Beijing. So yeah, and then you come here and you have the first room. This is my mom's room. This is he has this cute drawing there, and this chandelier line. Is that how they call it? Chandelier light, something like this. And he has too this cute thing. He also has this bed and this. He has a closet. This is one of the boxes I don't want to open. And he has like 2 closets, this and that. So my mom can use this, her husband uses this. I don't know, but they will just try to share it. And then he has this bathroom. It's clean and cute. I don't know who is calling me, but I think it's my mom. All my life. So as I said, my mom's room is this way and ours is this way. So when you come in, this is how it looks. Big, and he also has this cute balcony where you can just sit outside. For example, I want to edit my video or I just want to take fresh air, I could always just sit outside here. They also have security, that is very good, and they have this cute place of barbecue. And then this is the closet. I've not started arranging anything, but this is, we have 2 closets to this and that because I'm going to be living here with my siblings. And yeah, this is our bathroom. Our bathroom is not as clean as that of my mom, but they can always clean it and make it good. So this is it, and it has this cute mirror. Hi mirror, hi, look at my dress. Yeah, that's all guys. So the thing is like this here, I have a nail appointment at 3 p.m. and now it's currently 1 p.m. 1:24. But I don't know if I really want to do it or I want to buy jeans, because when I was coming, I just bought like tops for myself, and because I know my country has good jeans, I decided to wear mostly jeans when I'm home. So I was like, I'll buy jeans from here. But it shows like I'm going to be here before moving to the next city in a few days, so I need to buy some jeans that I'm going to use now. So I don't know if I should call my cousin now and let him come so he comes to pick me, because I'll go with him, or should I go to do my nails, because I can still do my nails tomorrow or the day after. So I'm still thinking, I'm still confused between the 2 of them, you know, because this outfit is one of the outfits I bought as gift, but I'm wearing it now because today I don't have an outfit, because most of my outfits are tops that have to go with it down. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. So before 2 p.m. I have to decide. And then yeah, I've not also had anything to eat since morning, so it's kind of crazy. But yeah, I also have my friend I'm going to be meeting tomorrow, which is going to be in tomorrow's vlog. Oh, the fresh air is helping now. But yeah, that's just what I wanted to tell you guys. I'm going to go ahead now and try to sort our stuff, arrange them, help in cleaning, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, yeah, let's get it. Be soldier, Mr. Money Ginger, you senior me, I get the money pass your papa. Do we time this thing? Not yet. Hello, body guys. I'm sure I'm not going to stay with this hair for 3 days, because not even 3 days, but like, let's try. I'm not sure I'll go back to that same lady, because I feel like I want to go somewhere where they can cut the hair, like really cut and make it like lower. But it's nice because she has relaxed the hair very well and like professionally. So me myself, I can style it because I got the white gel. So yeah, that's it. But you guys, What do you think? And I still need to cap my brows. Imagine I reach my brows. I'll not even be your level. Come on, come on. Still waiting for this thing. See body, see body. Okay, we're going to do abdo. One, not abdo, sports. 1, 2, go. Okay, again. 1, 2, go. Whoa! What am I even doing? I'm crazy. When I cap my brows, when I do my lashes, when I do my nails, it'll be over. Can you imagine like all these things I'm postponed to tomorrow? It's so crazy because I have to work like on Mantis time because she's busy and like I don't know a lot of places, so it's kind of like slow for me, but I'm trying to understand it. And today I just had a deep conversation with them. Like I was pissed off, but they tried to explain things to me and they tried to understand my point. So I feel like now I feel better about everything. But like if not, I'll just be feeling pissed off and mad. But like yeah, guys, I'm serious. Like I feel like the weather is not that hot as compared to where I've been to Beijing. The air will scare you. The air will polish you. When it's 40 and the hot is hotting outside, you will not even have the mood to be a bush faller. You will not even want to feel like you're in the abroad. So at this point, yeah, people are complaining heat. Me, I'm just like, this is not heat though. Me, I'm very okay in this weather. Oh, come on. But like yeah, time to leave. We're leaving now and I want to go ahead and show you guys what I'm wearing. So this is my outfit. This 2-piece is popular, guys. Like everyone on Instagram is literally buying this, but you cannot look at the model and you don't even want to buy the dress. Like how will you look at the model and you don't want to order the outfit? Like it's so bomb. And so I'm one of the people who ordered it. And then I have this transparent slippers. Auntie, okay, so I have this my transparent slippers. I'm going to wear them. I'm gonna be soldier. So fine. Super. So fine. Oh my god. Oh my god, so fine. Who is this? Who is this girl? Who is you? You are who? Oh, gonna be soldier, Mr. Money Ginger. Auntie, see somebody's daughter. How can you be like this? How? How can I be like 10 people? How? And how can you be fine like 10 people? I'm serious. I'm just I'm amused by my beauty. Now this doorway they say if we close I will not go get key, you know. Oh, okay. Yeah, there's a door that if you close you will not have the key. We I see me. I don't even know which one. Can you imagine? Which one are we going to? Okay, it's the other one. I thought this one is my car. Because I'm rich. I think that one is my car. Oh my god. I like love. I like to be in front. I like to be in front like I can buy a car.
You come.
The bike man is almost here, right? Say hello.
Hi guys, we are in Dubai.
We're in Dubai. Hi guys, I'm in the abroad. I just say hello. Where are you?
Hello.
Hi guys, I'm in the UK. This is the road of the UK.
You get how she dey be. You dey at me like bad me. I just wanna be there when you need me. Baby, now your matter are the reason all day, yeah. Overdosing, body overdose. I'ma say you